Hello everyone. It's Maddie with SpectrumArtCreations.com, and today we're going to be turning some ordinary flashcards into little collage masterpieces. Let's get started with supplies first. I'm going to be using the napkin pack number 14, which includes all of these beautiful German imported napkins that you see on screen. Now, the video you're watching today is a recap of a craft along live session mini class that we did for our channel subscribers. So this is kind of like the condensed version, but super fun to follow along as well. So I hope you will follow along. We'll need some flashcards as well. And then we are going to need some additional supplies. A stencil would be a great thing to have. And I'm just showing you some examples of ones that have like different sizes and different elements. We're going to need some inks for those stencils. And then we're going to need some ephemera. Now, ephemera, wow, I mean, there are thousands of possibilities. And as you can see, everything from doilies and laces to frames to labels to florals, clocks, ribbons, buttons. I mean, there's just tons of ephemera. So do take a look at the online selection. If you go to spectrumartcreations.com or sacscrafts.com, the shorter version, both are the same store, you can see the plethora. And there's also digital printables. So if you like to download your ephemera, that's also an option. We have some great digitals on there as well. Then we're going to need a focal point, and for that I'm going to be using some people. It could be something like a butterfly, but here are just some examples of some of those items that I'm going to be using. Again, the possibilities are endless, and just take a look around because I'm sure you might already have some really beautiful items that you could use for collaging. We're going to select a napkin and we're going to remove the backing. In order to do that, I'm using a piece of tape to simply lift off the extra plies from the back of the napkin. And I do save those because those are great for collaging. They're great for a whole bunch of other techniques, which I have covered during our craft along. So again, if you want to get the full scoop and hear all the tips and tricks, make sure that you watch that full video. I will link it down below in the description box for you. Using a water brush, we are going to cut out the elements that we want from our napkins, and we're going to create a really nice feathered look by using a water brush. And of course, it just allows like a lot of control and easy enough to just tear the pieces that we want. Next, we're going to be using our Spectrum Art Creations Decoupage and Sealing Matte Glue. And also another great choice is your Tombow Glue Monostick. I'm placing that all on the magnetic glass mat from Studio Light because it makes cleanup super easy. And I am using a silicone brush in order to apply the glue. We also have, of course, a Tim Holtz decoupage brushes and other options there for you as well. I just like the silicone brush because it's easy cleanup as well. Just a little baby wipe or paper towel and it's clean. And then we need a focal image. So looking through our larger pieces, we're going to select a focal image, and then we're going to start just adding little bits of collage. Again, lots of great and fun tips in the extended full version of the video. Then we're going to follow up with a stencil. And we're going to use inks this time with our stencil. Again, we're trying to keep this kind of flat because there is a bonus surprise. After we were done with creating our flashcards, we used them and turned them into another project. So make sure you guys watch part 2 of this as well, because we actually will put these to some really fun use. Okay, using some rub-ons as well, which I had on my desk from the previous video. If you missed the rub-on video, which we did some really fun vintage cards as well, make sure you check that out. I will try to link that also in the description box, but rub-ons are a great way of adding faux stitching and splatters and text without having to add necessarily a lot of volume. So perfect for using these flashcards inside of your journals or even mailing them, adding them to other projects, adding them as pockets or interactive features in cards, layouts, scrapbooking layouts, and more. And then we're just going to continue to layer some of our favorite bits on here. And layer by layer, we're going to build this really great scene in no time at all. It's a very fun, quick project. And again, adding lots of interest, lots of texture, but yet keeping it flat, but not boring. Once you're happy with that layout, we are going to add some splatters just for extra fun. The second one that I did of these when we did part 2, and part 2, again, make sure you join it because we use these to create some really beautiful folios simply using a manila folder. Super quick and fun project. But on that one, I used bling, which was so much fun. Now our little boy here needs a little butterfly, something to interact with, and there is our card. Super fun, super easy, fun project to do. A great way to use all those flashcards or ephemera that you already have in your stash. Also, right underneath of here, somewhere on the screen where you're watching on YouTube, there is a join button. So somewhere underneath of here, make sure you click on that to find out more how to join the channel so that you can become a member and enjoy tons of exclusive content such as this craft along. Of course, all of the products that you've seen here are available in our online store, so please make sure you go ahead and check that out. We really appreciate your support. It is what keeps us going. If you enjoyed this video, we certainly hope that you will go ahead and give it a like and also share it out with your friends and in your crafty groups so that we can continue to bring additional content to you. Make sure you leave a comment. We love to hear back from you. And if you haven't already done so, make sure that you subscribe to the channel and ring that notification bell so you can be notified every time that we go live. Okay, here's another video so that you can continue to craft along with us. I will see you there. Bye.